Here is a nice view of the table all set up. It's very spacious. I could put multiple laptops on it. I could put one here, or an iPad, and also writing with a notebook, pen and paper, anything like that. It does measure 31.5 inches this way, and then the height of it is actually 28.7 inches. But you can also adjust the legs at the bottom, and that will give you about another inch to 2. And that's going to be really helpful if your ground is uneven. You can adjust 1 or you can adjust 2. It does have a steel frame, so you're not going to have to worry about weight as much because it's a steel frame, you're going to be able to have a lot much more weight to put on here. And it's very sturdy. I definitely love having this around. I feel like it's pretty portable. Like I can easily fold it up and bring it somewhere else. If you do want it stationary, there is kind of like a little shelf right under here. Now you could easily put something on it. It's not flat, it's like a rail, like a bar type. But if you wanted to put something underneath, you could do that. Just be careful so it doesn't slide out. But like if I put my laptop under, that would be super easy and convenient. And then I could just work on the desk if I needed a little extra space. So this is also the tabletop and what the tabletop looks like. This is the rusted brown color. So you can get a nice close-up of that and seeing what this looks like. Thing to note is this table has rounded corners, so that's going to be nice for if you have little kids and you don't want them maybe to fall on a sharp corner, or you're worried about that. It has the rounded edges right here. Thanks for the company for sending me this to review.